Hey guys, happy Tuesday. Time for Tidbit Tuesdays. It's December 16th. Never been more happy for this day in my whole life. Open enrollment was crazy, and I can't tell you how many people I enrolled yesterday because either they couldn't make a decision or somehow they missed the 100 emails that Marketplace sent them about open enrollment. But important thing to note, this year, we actually have till January 15th, if you don't have coverage, to get you enrolled in some kind of coverage for February 1. If you let your plan auto-renew, and now you're looking at it going, oh, I didn't realize the premium would be that much, or my doctor doesn't take that insurance anymore, I need to get this switched. Well, you're stuck for January, but we can change it to make it effective February 1 for a different premium, for a different carrier. Please reach out to me if you need to do that with the holidays. I'm not working as many hours as I was before December 15th. So if you find yourself in this situation, please reach out, get on my calendar, and we'll figure that piece out. But if you are losing coverage, if you had Aetna, you actually have a qualify for a special enrollment period because your plan is ending December 31st. So with the plan ending December 31st, we actually have up to the end of the month. I will not be working December 31st, but we have up to the end of the month to enroll you in a plan for January 1. You would have been already auto-renewed, which is very confusing, but we can fix it. If you had Aetna and they put you on some random plan that you're like, what is this? The other hint is you've gotten cards in the mail, and for some reason, some of these insurance carriers actually send you a card before we've made a selection. Confuses people, and thank you for getting me more emails and texts and phone calls from people in a panic because either they know they didn't pick something or they know we picked something else and now they're getting a card and that's not the coverage they have anymore. So yes, you can check with me. I'm happy if we pick something, that's what you have. The insurance companies just send that out. I don't know, preemptively. I would think that would not be cost effective for them, but they did it. And we can double check it and make sure it looks good. Also, if you're losing Cobra, you lost a job, and your coverage is ending December 31st, that is also a special enrollment period where I can still get you coverage for January 1. So if you've not already looked at your premium for next year, please do that today and then get on my calendar so we can fix whatever we need to fix. So until next week, peace out.